Hello and welcome to the walk round video for this 1977 Saab 96 V4, which is entered into the Pavilion Gardens Buxton sale on Wednesday the 7th of July 2021 with us here at H&H Classics. In current registered ownership since 2015, the Saab was with its previous registered keeper for the 7 years beforehand and is offered with a recorded mileage of 87,680 miles, which is believed but not warranted to be genuine. Finished in a striking period colour, the Saab is accompanied by a current V5C, and these 96s are scarcely offered at auction. This example is offered without reserve.